Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Linkland eSIM Pro hotspot device. So on this video is going to be a product overview. I'm going to show you how the product works, and then at the end I'll give my overall feedback. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is how the product looks. You have your display screen right here. The front has like a rigid front. Here's your power on and your menu button. If you have a compatible micro SIM card, you could insert it here, and then this is the reset button right here. This is how the back looks. Okay. It has a convenient cord where you could charge a device right there with the USB-C. This is where you charge the device, and if you want to plug in the USB-C cord here to charge it as a battery bank. And another great feature is when this is inserted here, you can use this as a handle to attach this to either your bag or just to hold on to it. So let's turn it on. So you hold down the power button for 3 seconds. There we go. And now it's turning on. The battery life on this hotspot device is about 48 hours of constant use. And it takes maybe like a few hours just to charge it to a full charge. And then this right here shows how many devices are paired to this hotspot. And then you have your battery level, your time and your date, and then all the information with the SSID name, and then even the password. Okay, so say I'm gonna use this as a battery bank also. So I'm gonna release the cord here. Plug it into my phone. So I have 18% left. Plug in with the USB-C. And now the phone charges, and it's a fast charging power bank also. So this is great. Once you download the Linkland app, you have your option to purchase the different eSIM cards either locally or by regions. So you have China, America, Japan, Switzerland, Turkey, Denmark, a lot of different countries. So plans from the US starts anywhere from $1.90 up to $59, which is a very good price. See, the competitors' eSIM plans are much more expensive versus the Linkland plans. Okay, so then if I wanted to connect to the hotspot, I find the name, it's MiFi. I'm gonna put in the password, it shows it on the screen. Okay, so now I'm connecting to the MiFi hotspot, and you can see here that it's connected. So it connects very easily, and I can watch my favorite shows and use this on Wi-Fi anywhere. So you can see the internet speeds are nice and fast. So using the Linkland hotspot device works perfectly outside, so you could work from home, work in your car, work in the park, work outside anywhere with your laptop. All you do, you just set it up. You can even plug this in to charge your laptop at the same time as is using it. So you can see the 4G signal is very strong when you're outside, and the Wi-Fi signal works very well. This hotspot can connect up to 16 devices at once. You can use the Linkland in the car when you're out, and it works perfectly. So I'm gonna be working from my car today. So I already hooked up my laptop to the Linkland hotspot, and I'm gonna watch my favorite videos. The internet speeds are very quick and there's no lag or anything. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. This is a great device to have when you're traveling international or even locally. I like how this device can connect 16 devices simultaneously. I like the battery life on this lasts about 2 days, so that's very good. And I also like how you're able to use this as a battery bank also. So this is a great product to have, and it's very easy to set up. I also like the affordable cost of the different eSIM plans that this company offers. So this is a great product to have. Thanks for watching.